What's up, guys? Michael here at High Centered Off-Road. Since Brian decided to lose the battle to a semi-truck and his fender shattered, we have recently gotten a new one, and there's actually no videos on how to take these apart. I know quite a few people have figured it out, but we're going to do one just so you can see how to pull it apart. And so this is what it comes like from Mopar. $600 of awesomeness, and we're going to open it up. My bad. It's got lots of bubbles. Dude, it came with a light too. All the bubble wrap off. It even came with an LED light installed in it. That's crazy. So, if this happened to you, you would literally take whatever you have left off, pop it in, plug it in, and you'd be ready to rock and roll. But we're going to take this apart. So, I need some bits. I need a drill bit, a thingamabobber, and some torx bits. Alright guys, we got some tools. We've got a number 3 Phillips. We've got a razor blade, panel popper, drill, T30 torx bit, T30, 9/64 drill bit to drill out the plastic rivets, needle nose pliers, dikes, whatever have you. It kind of helps rip some of the stuff apart. Alright, first things first is remove this little Phillips screw. Then there's a series of T30 torx, and that holds the light into the fender itself. After that, we will drill through the plastic rivets. Take this little support bracket off because you don't need that. We'll remove the harness. It's got little Christmas tree clips in there. And then once we're done that, we will pull the fender apart. We are removing the Phillips plastic screw. Phillips plastic screw removed. Well, what do I want to give for my metal ones? Alrighty, now we're gonna use the T30 torx and remove the torx screws. There are numerous torx screws, but they're all the same. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to drill out this plastic rivet. It's connected to this bracket. Where's my metal one? There we go. Plastic bracket removed. Continue removing torx bits for the light. this one. Fender light removed with wiring harness. Next we're going to drill out the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plastic rivets. Maybe 6? I don't know, is there one right there? Yep, 6. One right there. And once those are done, then we'll be able to separate. So you can easily just drill out the pin. I'm sure there's probably an easier way, but I just do it like this. Alrighty. Pop that one. Support bracket. Keep that clip, then we have an extra. Cool. Little white clip. It pins the two pieces together, the upper and the lower. So you just pop it off. And then we will start separating the two pieces. So right here, you see all these little dots, these little 3-dot things. It's plastic welded, plastic fused. What they use is a really hot stamp kind of thing, and it just bzz, puts them together. So you just literally put your hand underneath and start pulling. And it is an absolute pain in the butt, but just take your time. Alrighty, one piece out. Next, so you see how this is. The top piece is keyed into the lower piece. So you just want to make sure that, you know, these all come out nice. You can cut them now if you want. I always wait, and then we'll show you we trim them flush and you'll never see them again. So now we're going to separate the rest of the fender. Got Brian holding. And you just work your way down. Boom. And it comes apart just like that. See, it's just plastic welded, just pressed and fused together. You just pull it apart. And now these little tabs, we're going to take the razor blade and we're just going to cut them smooth. And it'll look nice and pretty like. So we're going to start cutting these off. I kind of cut them at an angle a little bit. All done. One separated and trimmed fender. This is how you remove a broken fender. One more clip. I always forget this one. There's one guide pin, a center pin. So line it up. There you go. Now we'll put the American Invention Lab Fender chop light back on and be ready to rock and roll.
All right, so we just got the Fender back on, the American Inventor Highline Fender LED light back on. Looks like Bert is back in business.
Oh, I got fries too.